Today's video are going to discuss dental bridges and how they're utilized for dental work. A dental bridge is a type of dental restoration designed for the replacement of some or all missing teeth. Bridges are called bridges because it actually fills in the gaps between teeth. There are many reasons people might need dental bridges. One of the most popular motives is to enhance the appearance of a smile. The loss of teeth does not only negatively impact confidence in a person and self-esteem, but it can result in other dental issues, including shifting teeth and jaw discomfort. Through filling the gap using a bridge made of dental material, people can recover their confidence and also avoid likely issues. One reason that a bridge for your teeth might be necessary is to boost oral health. The absence of teeth makes it difficult to chew food correctly that can result in problems with digestion and poor nutrition. The dental bridge is a great way to ensure proper bite alignment and allow individuals to eat and communicate. There are many types of dental bridges that may be employed based upon the needs specific to the patient. The most popular type is the classic dental bridge. This is comprised of an artificial tooth, or teeth, fixed by crowns placed over the teeth to both sides of the gap. This kind of bridge is robust and will last long if it is maintained properly. Another kind of dental bridge is the cantilever bridge and is suitable for when only there are teeth that are on the only one edge of the gap. This bridge type can be a great choice for patients who don't have enough teeth at both ends of the gap that can support an ordinary bridge. The Maryland bridge is one type of dental bridge which utilizes the framework of porcelain or metal which is attached to the teeth that support it. This kind of bridge is much less painful than conventional bridges and could be an ideal option for patients seeking the most conservative approach. In the end, an implant-supported bridge can be described as a kind of dental bridge which uses dental implants as anchors to support artificial teeth. This kind of bridge is the best and long-lasting choice, however it does require surgery to place the implants. Dental bridges in general are a flexible and efficient procedure for replacing missing teeth. They can enhance the appearance of smiles as well as restore oral functionality as well as prevent the development of dental problems. If you're missing your teeth and considering getting an implant, make certain to talk with your dentist regarding which option is best that meets your particular demands.